Hello, class. I hope you had a great MLK holiday. We will not have virtual class today, but you do have an assignment. I want to show you how to get to it and give you a few instructions. So log into your Schoology page, and you'll see you had this assignment last week on social presence. I'll be grading that today, so please make sure you have that in. Late work points will be deducted from late work. Today, we are working on brand and business identity in social media. Click that link and you will have links to the slides and to the assignment. So it's two links here in this assignment. Here are the slides for you to go through. It will teach you everything you need to know about business brand when it comes to social media. In the assignment that you will do, it will give you kind of a scale about your brand's personality. It gives you some examples on the scale. Here is the assignment. It is a Google form. That assignment was just right here. I think I clicked that a little too quickly, so that's why I went back. Okay, let me get it to load. Okay, here's the assignment. You're going to have to pick a brand. Tell me what products and services that brand offers. Then I need you to give me some social media posts from that brand. You copy and paste them here. I changed the settings last time. I think you were only able to do one, but this time you should be able to do more than one post. Also, post a few ads here in the next question. Here it says indicate where the brand fits on the brand identity spectrum. So right here you have personable and friendly, corporate, professional. So if your brand is in the middle, you would click maybe a 5 or 6. If you think they're not corporate or professional at all, they're more friendly, you would click the 1. So whichever side your brand is more close to, that's what you would click. If they're right in the middle, you would click a number that's in the middle, a 5 or a 6, and so on and so forth for each one of those questions. So that's it for today. Brand and business identity on social media. So this will repeat itself for any of you that missed anything. Thank you and have a great day.